Good evening on this February 8th, 2013. It is approximately 7:30 p.m. and I am out in the early part of the peak of the blizzard of 2013. About 8 inches of snow so far here in Columbia. The snow is rocking. We've got heavy snow falling about 2 inches per hour. Winds are really cranking out of the north, temperature 25 degrees. I'm in full ski gear. Really in the midst of an intense storm. It's really picked up over the last 2 hours or so. Really rocking. Here's the yardstick. Still looking pretty low on the yardstick, but that's gonna crank up. A ruler definitely is not gonna do it with this one. We'll need the yardstick.